Welcome back to 20 Car. The 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome doesn't merely travel across landscapes, it claims them, like a steel titan rising from the horizon with the confidence of something carved out of the American frontier itself. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a wandering fortress, a roving myth built to swallow distance and spit out adventure. From the outside, the H1 Motorhome looks like a mountain with wheels, boxy, towering, and unapologetically monumental. Its new armored aluminum panels catch sunlight in blunt flashes, while the oversized all-terrain tires grip the earth like ancient claws. A raised panoramic roofline creates a silhouette unlike any RV, half-expedition machine, half-rolling command center. LED trail lights stretch across the front like a glowing shield. Step inside and the brutality fades into a surprising sanctuary. The interior is a cabin of modern wilderness luxury, walnut flooring, modular leather seating, and a full smart dash ecosystem featuring a 15-inch command display. A holographic terrain scanner maps surroundings in real time, while the integrated energy management system keeps climate, water, and battery usage perfectly balanced. The sleeping quarters feel like a boutique micro-hotel, complete with ambient lighting that mimics sunrise. Under the hood, a twin-turbo 6.6-liter V8 diesel hybrid delivers 780 horsepower and monstrous torque, sending the heavy giant from 0-100 kilometers height in just 6.5 seconds, astonishing for something weighing as much as a small cabin. Rivals include the Earth Romeralty and the Global Expedition GXV, yet none match the Hummer's blend of military lineage and nomadic luxury. Pricing lands in ultra-premium territory, but long-term ownership is softened by durable materials, stable depreciation, and a service network familiar with off-road beasts. Insurance runs high, yet reliability remains one of the H1's quiet strengths.